In looking at the Zoom client, you may notice that there are several elements that are updates or upgrades to the basic level of Zoom. For example, one thing available to individuals is now a mail section. You can actually have your own Zoom mail account. You can set up notes inside of your Zoom meeting. You can set up whiteboards and collaborate with other individuals inside of your Zoom meeting. You can chat with a team of people that you set up. You can set up the individuals with contacts in Zoom and integrate your Microsoft or your Google contacts. And you can also integrate your calendar with any calendar that you are using in the online or technical part of your business. Zoom actually allows you to Zoom actually allows you to record your screen. You can go into a section in Zoom and you can create a clip, which is a video recording or screen share recording in any configuration that you want. Zoom has what's called its AI companion. It allows you to have meeting summaries of everything that you do on Zoom. And inside of the video recording area, Zoom has put together AI-based highlights of the video that you create inside of Zoom. There is a video course that will walk you through the basics of setting up the newest of Zoom features. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.